Time now for this week's edition of A Ray of Hope.
A ray of hope. It's not something one might see often among the list of things women do. But for Tracy and Hall, repairing motor cars is a passion.
I just like cars from when I was a child.
For the last 15 years, Tracy has been sharing her knowledge of automotive repairs with high school students. It's a love she developed from a young age.
I like fixing and, because I usually pull up things in the house, clocks and all of that. So I said, all right, let me try this. And I did, and I started at St. Catherine High, which I was pretty young, about 14.
Tracy Ann is an instructor at the Jonathan Grant High School in St. Catherine in the Automotive Technology Department. Just last year, Tracy Ann was selected out of 22,000 teachers across the world as a top 10 finalist for the Global Teacher Prize under the Varkey Foundation. She was also second runner-up for the Alaska Teacher of the Year and the Teacher of the Year at her school.
Miss Hall teaches very good information.
She has inspired us a lot.
If she see her fall back and she see her going on a different crowd, she'll be like, you're not that type of student and I know who you are, and she will just straighten up.
There are teachers in Jamaica, like myself, who will go the extra mile to ensure that your child is successful in whatever career path they choose.
Tracy Ann believes students must be allowed to pursue their dreams no matter what they choose.
It really gives them that sense of accomplishment that they can do something. So don't force them into the traditional subjects that they might not be strong at.
She started a program called LEG. It's to help students learn, earn, and grow.
A student who would not have excelled in might be business or one of those traditional subjects, they have garnered enough knowledge. They would go out in the industry, they would be ready to actually start as a full-fledged apprentice. So it really gives me that sense of accomplishment that I have prevented a child from going astray.
And for students,
the sky is the limit, even beyond the sky. I mean, there's so much that you can do. Even when you finish in high school, if you do have to go out in the industry to work because of financial challenges, work and still send yourself back to school. Education is the only way out of poverty, and I encourage students to stick to whatever they choose to do.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.
A ray of hope.